Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can verify account on Wise. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to log in into your Wise account. Click on your name on the top right and click on settings. So once you are on the settings page, so here you can see that my email is verified. So you simply need to click on that and you can easily verify here, and then you can see connect account, so you can connect apps, you can add your bank account. So click on that and you need to add your bank account from these three countries. So let's suppose from UK. Click on connect and then you can easily connect any of your banks. So once you done that, your account will be verified, and as you can see that my bank is verified because I only verified with the help of email. You can also add bank as well to verify it. So this is the all process by which you can verify account on Wise. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.